and welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I wanted to share with you our new January kit. So I have it here in my lovely envelope, and the envelope gives you a clue as to what is inside. We've themed this month's mailer to the geometric design that we have inside. So let's slip one open and I can show you what's inside. It even has a perforation so that you can easily get inside. I'm super excited about this one. I actually designed it a couple of months ago, and I've been dying to be able to send this one out. So it has a geometric theme to it. So you have this wonderful card that replicates some of the elements that are inside of this month's box for you as well. So you can see that as well. So you've got the deer on here, and then on the back there's a little postcard, gives you a little bit about what's inside the box and some of the inspiration I had and some coupon codes and things. So that's in there for you. Then we have three lovely stamp sets. So this one is all about sort of backgrounds and geometric themes in here. You've got this beautiful origami or geometric heart and these elements in here as well. And I called this one Finding Your Way in here. So you've got some beautiful stamps in this one. And then you have some more of the geometric or origami animals. You have a unicorn, you've got the deer that you had on your postcard, you've got an owl, a wolf, a lion, and a butterfly in this one as well. And then I also did a mixed sentiment stamp, and there's a variety of different types of sentiments and a variety of fonts. And I did different sizes too. And then I took some of those elements. So I took the butterfly, the unicorn, and the owl and made them smaller, that you can use them on the back of envelope flaps, or you can use them in backgrounds and things. You've got a love definition for Valentine's Day. You have some math puns in here. You have some sadder sentiments, some really fun sentiments. So a really nice mixture in here. We have You Are My Singularity, you have Inspire, you have Be Yourself, and yes, unless you can be a unicorn, then always be a unicorn. Remember that the most valuable antiques are dear old friends. I wish the Rainbow Bridge had visiting hours. Style is a reflection of your attitude and personality. Spread your wings, you are awesome. I'll always love you. You give my life direction. Life is pointless without you. Follow your dreams. They know the way. Thank you for your wise words. And life is a journey with unexpected miracles down the bottom there as well. So you've got lots and lots of sentiments in here. You really are a cute one, and you have to be odd to be number one. So I really mixed it up with the sentiments that are in this set as well. You also have this stencil for our regular subscribers. They always get a bonus in their monthly box. You have this stencil in there too. We always include some candy for your crafting time as well. So we included conversation hearts for the Valentine's Day theme, and then our first ever time here of chipboard elements. So this is something new for us. So again, we took those same geometric pieces. I'm going to tip these out down here so that I can show you these, and I absolutely love these. I'm so pleased with them. There's a heart stuck in our packaging, so I can get them all out. So these are the same as these stamps. So we have a large heart, we have a large butterfly, we have a unicorn, and we have the owl as well. And then I have a smaller unicorn, there's some hearts, and then butterflies as well here. And they have all of that lattice detail in. You can see here, I'm going to put some on my hand so I can get a little bit closer to the camera with the smaller ones here. And you can add adhesive to them and foil them. You can add embossing powders and inks. You can add all sorts of different mediums, and the design team are going to give you loads and loads of inspiration. So if you haven't ever received a Hedgehog Hollow kit before, the design team give you over 20 different ideas using our monthly subscription kit. They publish on the Hedgehog Hollow blog nearly every single day during the month. So you can, they do mixed media projects, they do cards, they do mail art, they do all sorts of different things using this kit, and they show you all sorts of different ways to use it as well. Plus we have a guest designer each month as well, so they'll be giving you ideas as well. So do check out thehedgehoghollow.com. Links are in the video description to purchase the kit as well, so do check that out as well. The kits are $39.95 each month, and then if you sign up for a 3-month term, it works out slightly cheaper as well. And then you can either sign up to receive them every month, you can get them as a one-off, and you can cancel at any time. There's no penalty to cancel, and you can cancel anytime before your next kit ships out. So all those details are in the description below. We hope you'll join us here at Hedgehog Hollow for our monthly subscription kit. Each month we focus on a different company. Next month's company is going to be Elizabeth Craft Designs, which we're super excited about. We love Else and Yo, they're so much fun. We love when they come to visit Akron and we get to go out and see them. And hopefully we're visiting them this year in Denver as well. So this is Hedgehog Hollow for the month of January. February will be Elizabeth Craft Designs, so we'll see you again very soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because if you haven't heard, in about 10 days time we'll be off to Creativation, and we are the official media partner for 2019 for Creativation. We're super excited. We'll be on the show floor first with lots and lots of behind the scenes information, news from your favourite companies, of course, and lots of things coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel there. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing what's in our kit, and we'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping! Bye!